मुंबई के सेंट फ्रांसिस इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट और रिसर्च में आयोजित सांस्कृतिक एवं प्रबंधन महोत्सव ग्रेस एक्सुबरेंस 2026 उत्साह और भव्यता के साथ संपन्न हुआ। कार्यक्रम में छात्रों की प्रतिभा, रचनात्मकता और नेतृत्व क्षमता की शानदार झलक देखने को मिली। इस अवसर पर प्रमुख अतिथि अभिजीत राणे सहित कई गणमान्य व्यक्तियों ने उपस्थिति दर्ज कराई। उन्होंने छात्रों को संबोधित करते हुए मेहनत, समर्पण और अनुशासन को सफलता की कुंजी बताया। सांस्कृतिक प्रस्तुतियों, मैनेजमेंट गतिविधियों और नवाचार आधारित प्रतियोगिताओं ने दर्शकों का मन मोह लिया। अतिथियों ने आयोजन की सराहना करते हुए इसे छात्रों के आत्मविश्वास और भविष्य की दिशा को मजबूत करने वाला बताया।
Management and research. Should I speak in English, Marathi or Hindi? Okay. Today I am here to motivate you all. One of my team member, Shri Abhay, coordinated with me for this particular event, and I would love to come and participate in this wonderful dynamic 2026 innovative activity done by this college. I am basically into trade union movement. Hello. And I work in the interest of workmen who generally do their work on their own hands. They say लेबर्स है, रिक्शा वाले हैं, टैक्सी वाले जो हाथ पर काम करते हैं, उनके राइट्स के लिए मैं लड़ता हूँ, झगड़ता हूँ। और देश के लगभग in the country there are more than 7.5 lakh workers around the country where national, multinational, government, semi-government, organized, different categories के workers को हम head करते हैं। This is actually out of box subject for me to be here on this dais, but I was very happy when the managing trustees of this college approached me, and one of my friend Hema Sharma is here with me. She is actually a chief guest. I am a part of this event. So whenever I am also a vice president Bharatiya Janata Party Mumbai, and I am actually associated with our Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Sanmanya Devendra Fadnavis. I am one of the team members of him. Whenever this college needs any sort of government support, I commit you on this particular dais that government related जो भी काम होगा, which is directly connected to state government of Maharashtra, I will fully commit this college that I am 100% with you all. And a wonderful program is in. on, see, I will just tell 2-3 things. Man is known with the company, what he keeps. आपकी जो identity है, वो आपके संगत से पता चलती है. And when you grow, जब आप बढ़ते हो, जब आप आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश करते हो, तो हमेशा there is a parallel governance which tries to pull you down. So always keep going on with your goals, with your ambitions. लोग बोलने वाले बोलते रहते हैं, अगर हमको जो काम करना है वो हमको हमारा काम, हमारा लक्ष्य आगे हमको हासिल करना है. इतना ही मैं बोलूँगा. फिर एक बार ये मैनेजिंग ट्रस्टीज ने मुझे यहाँ पर बुलाया. They invited me, they gave me this type of gesture. I am thanking all the managing committee members and the father sitting here. I am happy to join this event here. Dhanyavad. Thank you very much. Here, I give my best wishes to the college management. They have done a wonderful gathering for the students who have been a part of this event today. I and one of the prominent film actress Hema Sharma and more dignitaries were here. We successfully inaugurated the program. The program was excellent. A lot of students have performed. My best wishes to all the performers and all the people, teaching, non-teaching staff of this college. I give my best wishes. On behalf of Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis ji, I give them congratulations. They should do a good job like this. Go ahead. Thank you.
Yeah, as Abhijit sir said that today we invited and feeling so blessed, and I was so happy to see all the children's, girls and boys. Right now I'm missing my all days, school days, college days, and I met the teachers also. And when I saw her, so I was also my school teacher. Still I remember her name. Her name is Champa, and she was so sweet. And education, as you know, this is the most important part of everybody's lives, and we should focus on the education more and more. And once again I want to say congratulate and wish you all the best for all the students for their bright future. Every youth is a part of our nation, and I want to say thank you so much for inviting me along, sir, and thank you so much, Abhijit sir, for giving me so much confidence, for giving me the beautiful place to speak. And thank you so much, this institute. Thank you.
From St. Francis Institute of Management and Research, I would definitely like to say thank you to the Abhijit sir as well as to the Hema ma'am for gracing these occasions and inaugurating our exuberance event. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you.
बोलिए.
यदि आप यहाँ पर आए थे कार्यक्रम में, क्या है उस पर जानकारी?
हम तो इनके नेबर हैं और यहाँ जब भी प्रोग्राम होता है तो हमारा सौभाग्य है, हमको भी इनविटेशन मिलता है पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए. और ये एक्सुबरेंस के लिए तो इनके तरफ से ऑफर आया था कि इसको अच्छा प्रोग्राम करना है तो कोई सेलिब्रिटी डिग्निटी को बुलाया जाए. तो इसके लिए हमने फिर राणे सर से और हिमा मैडम से रिक्वेस्ट किया था आने के लिए, और हम इनके शुक्रगुजार है कि ये लोग आए यहाँ पर.
धन्यवाद. थैंक यू वेरी मच.